All right, here we have sum, and as you must have guessed, it's a mathematical function. It adds the values in the specified range of cells. Okay, we have the range, for example, I want to add these numbers, right? So what I can do is just click here and go to formulas, click on AutoSum, and click on sum. All right. So here's the equal sign. It's telling the computer, the system, that a function has begun and it needs to do calculations. We can reassign the range, okay, as an argument. This is the name of the function sum, equal sign, name of the function, and the argument. It can be a value, it can be a cell reference, or it can be a range, like so on and so forth. Okay, press enter in your keyboard, and there you go. So you got the calculation done. You have the totals of these numbers. So 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 equals to 31. If you need to make any changes in the data, which was present earlier on, you can do so, and the corresponding result will be shown uh, where we entered the function formula. There you go, and then we are going to see what happens. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Okay, that's it. Well, I'm going to delete it for you, and let's start it from scratch. Equal, type SUM if you know it very well. Okay, then you can enter the parenthesis, and then you can just, with your mouse left button, you can just assign the range D3 up to D7. Press enter, same result. All right, folks, we have done function for formula, which is in this case was sum. All right, dear friends, we will now see the difference between these two function formulas. One is count and the other one is sum. So let's click in the cell next to count and go to formulas, go to AutoSum, click on count. You will see equal sign, count function name, and the argument. Click on the range, the starting cell of the range, and take it up to the last part of the range, or last cell of the range, which is B9. And then what you will do is press enter on your keyboard. You will see 4. Okay, next time. And the next, what you will do is drag it from here. Okay, this is the active cell. Just with your left button of your mouse, drag it to the right until this last column. Okay, so what is shown, what does it show? What it is telling you is from B4 to B9, okay, you have four values. It is only counting the cells where there's a value or a number. Okay, so you have entered a number and the value will be shown over there. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cells are occupied? There are 4 cells that are occupied with numbers. Okay, 1, 2, these two are empty. So 2 cells have not been accounted for. They have not been counted. Okay, their occurrences have not been, they are not being shown in the cell. Over here, if you go, when I click here, the function is, I double click. Okay, so equal count D4 to D9, D4 to D9. All right, and then enter. So 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 values. That's what's going to count. So if you, just in order to check, you enter 2 here, $2, then it will be depicted in this particular cell. And if you delete it, then it will be gone. So it will revert to number 5, because it's just counting the cells where where it can see any value added to it. Let's check out the sum function. This time, of course, I'm going to type it equal SUM and then you got this. Then you got the range from here to the last one, and then enter. You will get 28 because 6 plus 10 plus 4 plus 8. 6 plus 10 plus 4 plus 8 will be 28. All right. Now I will drag this formula to the right. You can see 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9 is 21. 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 is 33. That's the difference between count and sum function formulas. Moving on. This is product. What it's going to do is simple. It will just multiply the numbers, okay, in the argument, given as argument. So equal, write the product function name, product, parenthesis, from here until the last, okay, from B to D, all right. So there you go. 1 times 2 times 3, 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. Drag it down. Okay, this is what you get. Similarly, equal Product. Make sure the spelling is correct. And then parenthesis, then from here to here. Okay, enter. So 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, and then drag it all the way to the end. You will get to know how the product function works. What we will do is just delete this and delete this as well. Let's click here and then go to AutoSum, more functions. You'll get the product function, okay? Click here and then just say okay, and then find out the range that you are interested in. Okay, this is the range that you want to have as factor, and then you're gonna get 6. Okay, drag it down. There you go. 3 times 4 times 5. 3 4 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, click here, then go to auto, and then go to more functions, product. Okay, and then the range. Enter, and then all the way up to the end. 5 times 4 times 3 is 60. 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is 24. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 6. This is product. It's just simple multiplication of numbers. Average. Okay, average. What will this do? This will make total of this and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. By 12, the digit 12, it will divide the total of these numbers by 12. Okay, that's what your average is. So equal AVERAGE, and then open the parenthesis from here until the last, which is December, and press enter. So this is your average for this data. Okay, delete it. Click here, go to AutoSum, and just click here. It's already given. Okay, we can see it. Click here, and then just the range is also selected, but it's a little more, it's coming up to B15. So let's reselect the range until December. Okay, so equal average, the function name, and then the argument B3 to B14. B3 this one, and the last one is B14. Press enter, and this is your average. Maximum. Okay, as you can see, the maximum will allow you to get the value which is the highest value, maximum value in the range of cells. Okay, so let's click here on function. It's already, we already have opened it. Go to max, and voila, there you go. Let's do it again. All right, let's do the range again. Okay, from January to December, and then equal max. Max is the function which will help you find the highest value in this range. Okay, so press enter, and 100 is the highest value here. All right, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, blah 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 blah, until the last one. Okay, these are some values, and 100 is the highest value. Similarly, we will move on to min, As you can see, min, what will min do? It will give you the minimum or the lowest value in the range. All right. So equal min, you have this, and then select the range, and then press enter. You got 40. 40 is the smallest value here. Delete it. Let's do it again. Click here. You got the min function. We are coming through from formulas tab. We are entering into the ribbon, and here we will find auto sum, okay, icon. Then we will click on min command, and you will have to select the range. Just with mouse left button, you have selected the range B3 to B14. The function name is already given, equal sign is there. Enter. 40 is the value that you will get, which is the smallest value here. Median. Okay, this will give you the centermost value. All right, so supposedly 1, 2. Okay, I'll just autofill this range. Okay, so let's take a look at median, how median behaves. Click here, more function, find it out wherever it is. There you go, it's pretty easy to look at. Median, give it a range from B3 to B14. B14, we got the range. All right, press OK. 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 is the median value in the range. It's the middle value. You have learned today sum, count, product, average, max, min, median function formulas. I believe the more you practice, the better you'll get. That's just about it again. And have a nice day. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe.